Learn English to Gujarati, would like with.
ઈચ્છવું.
And.
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
Welcome to Wanting Things Politely. Hey, you're about to learn how to say what you want in Gujarati without sounding like a dramatic potato king. Let us make polite desire fun. Today's magic word family is built around
ઈચ્છવું.
which means would like. Think of it as the friendly version of wanting. Instead of grabbing the last samosa like a movie villain, you can sound calm, polite, and clever. In this chapter, you will hear forms like
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
for, I would like,
તમે ઈચ્છો છો.
for, you want,
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
for, he wants, or, she would like,
તે ઈચ્છે.
for, it would like to,
અમે ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
for, we would like, and,
તેઓ ઈચ્છે છે.
for, they would like. The polite wish engine. First, let us meet the star of the show. It is small, useful, and hungry for tea. Base word.
ઈચ્છવું.
Equals would like. If I say, I would like some tea, you can remember.
હું થોડી ચા ઈચ્છું છું.
If someone asks you, would you like to join us? Just smile and notice the key idea of wanting.
ઈચ્છવું.
Funny memory trick. Imagine a parrot in a cafe screaming
ઈચ્છવું.
until it gets mango juice. Not elegant, but unforgettable. I would like tea and possibly world peace. Now you will speak for yourself, which is useful because your snack choices are deeply personal. I would like, in Gujarati is.
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
Example.
હું થોડી ચા ઈચ્છું છું.
I would like some tea. Example.
હું ગુજરાતી શીખવા ઈચ્છું છું.
I would like to learn Gujarati. Example.
હું શાંત ઓરડો ઈચ્છું છું.
I would like a quiet room. Try it aloud.
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
Good. You now sound politely ambitious. You want, and I am not judging. Time to talk to another person. Very useful when your friend is staring at cake like it owes them money. You want, is.
તમે ઈચ્છો છો.
Example.
તમે ચાનો એક કપ ઈચ્છો છો.
You want a cup of tea. Example.
તમે ગુજરાતી શીખવા ઈચ્છો છો.
You want to learn Gujarati. Example.
તમે હવે કેમ જવા ઈચ્છો છો?
Why do you want to go now? And again.
તમે ઈચ્છો છો.
This one appears twice in your lesson because apparently you want things a lot. Respect. He wants, she would like. Here comes a tiny Gujarati shortcut. One phrase can help with both he and she in this lesson set. For, he wants, use.
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
Example.
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
Gari javam. He wants to go home. Another one.
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
Vadu ka. He wants more tea. For, she would like, this lesson also gives you.
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
Example.
તે થોડી ચા ઈચ્છે છે.
She would like some tea. So if a cat in glasses points at pizza and you narrate dramatically, you can say.
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
Even it has opinions. Yes, now even objects, pets, and mysterious robots get feelings. Language is generous like that. It would like to, is.
તે ઈચ્છે.
Example.
તે ઈચ્છે સૂવું.
It would like to sleep. Example.
તે ઈચ્છે પીવું.
It would like to drink. Example.
જો તે મુક્ત હોત તો તે ઈચ્છે બહાર જવું.
If it were free, it would like to go outside. Imagine a small robot seeing a charger and whispering.
તે ઈચ્છે.
Adorable and slightly concerning. We would like snacks, naturally. You are no longer alone. Now you have a team, a family, or a snack committee. We would like, is.
અમે ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
Example.
અમે થોડી ચા ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
We would like some tea. Example.
અમે હવે જવું ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
We would like to go now. Example.
અમે વધુ સમય ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
We would like more time. Say it with group energy.
અમે ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
Congratulations, you now sound like a polite committee. They would like everything on the menu. Finally, let us talk about a group over there. Maybe they are organized, maybe they are chaos. Language does not judge. They would like, is.
તેઓ ઈચ્છે છે.
Example.
તેઓ થોડી ચા ઈચ્છે છે.
They would like some tea. Example.
તેઓ અહીં બેસવા ઈચ્છે છે.
They would like to sit here. Example.
તેઓ વધુ સમય ઈચ્છે છે.
They would like more time. Picture 10 guests trying to order one tiny biscuit and all saying.
તેઓ ઈચ્છે છે.
Mini dialogue at the tea stall. Now let us throw everything into one playful scene. Listen, repeat, and enjoy the chaos. Seller. Welcome. What do you want? You.
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
Tea. Friend.
તમે ઈચ્છો છો.
More tea too? Narrator.
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
More tea. Yes, he wants more. Other friend. No, no.
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
A book and rest. Yes, she would like rest. Robot dog under the table.
તે ઈચ્છે.
To sleep. Your group.
અમે ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
Snacks. Waiter, looking at the next table.
તેઓ ઈચ્છે છે.
Tea and more time. Quick quiz, no flying tomatoes. Let us see what's stuck in your brain. If you miss one, no problem. The parrot forgives you. How do you say, would like? Answer.
ઈચ્છવું.
How do you say, I would like? Answer.
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
How do you say, you want? Answer.
તમે ઈચ્છો છો.
How do you say, he wants? Answer.
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
How do you say, she would like? Answer.
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
How do you say, it would like to? Answer.
તે ઈચ્છે.
How do you say, we would like? Answer.
અમે ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
How do you say, they would like? Answer.
તેઓ ઈચ્છે છે.
Friendly conclusion. You did it. You survived the tea stall, the robot dog, and the emotionally demanding biscuit crowd. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing these Gujarati phrases out loud.
ઈચ્છવું. હું ઈચ્છું છું. તમે ઈચ્છો છો. તે ઈચ્છે છે. તે ઈચ્છશે. અમે ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
And.
તેઓ ઈચ્છે છે.
Repeat them when you walk, cook, or wait for tea. The more you practice, the more natural Gujarati will feel. Thanks for listening, and keep going. You are doing great.